click on the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest update from this channel.
Hello friends, today I am going to show you how you can bypass FRP lock on Galaxy C7 or C7 Pro. First of all, we need to click on Start. Now just put Wi-Fi password, but don't connect it yet, as I am giving it here my Wi-Fi password. As you can see, we just give here password, but do not connect it yet. If we connect it, it will go to YouTube update, so we need to connect USB cable. Then we open Samsung FRP tool and wait for drivers install. Now click on FRP bypass, click OK. Now immediately connect Wi-Fi. As you can see, I am doing here. Wi-Fi is now connected and we get pop-up message. Yes, now click on view and you will get through internet browser. If you get YouTube update message, you need to hard reset your mobile and repeat this process. Now here you can search FRP Faisal from faisalmobile.com. Write FRP Faisal and search it on Google. You will see first link, FRP APK files. Click on it. Now you can search here TechnoCare setting, which is located here. TechnoCare, download it. Click on it, cancel this ad and again cross. Now download from here. As you can see, it's now downloading. Now click on bookmarks, history, download history, and you will find here TechnoCare APK. Our download is done. Click on it to install it. Click, give permission, go back, install. Now it's installing. Wait for to finish the install. Now we just need to go back to faisalmobile.com. If you cannot go back, you can write again website name, or you can go back simply, as I am going to back my website. Go back. Now scroll up and you will find settings app. Click on it and you will go through the settings of mobile. Here click on lock and security. As you can see, other security settings, device admin, turn off find my device, go back again, and apps, and we need to disable Google Play services over here. Disable it. Now again go back, again back. Now we go to accounts and add Google account here. Give your any Gmail ID and password here. Wait for to load it. So here I am going to give my Gmail ID. Here I am giving my Gmail ID. Click next. So here I am giving my password and click next. Our account is now going to add. As you can see, account is added here. Just go back, settings, apps, enable Google Play services which we disabled before. Just enable it, and again go back, lock screen and security, and here we other security settings. Click here and device admin apps, turn on find my device, and we are all done. Here we just now to restart our mobile, or you can go back normally. I restarted it. We almost done over here. We just need to now set up our mobile. So I fast forward the video so we can make it fast. Now our phone is on and we just need to set up it. Just click next, next, agree the terms and condition, and click on next. It's checking for updates. Now you just need to set up your mobile, and it will bypass your FRP. So we already done everything. Just wait for to finish it. Our account is already added here. Just wait for a few seconds and it will let you go the home screen. Just click on next. No thanks. Go next, next. Don't skip the video. There is one step left, so you need to do it after finish the setup, which is also very important. Now it's all done. Now you can use your mobile freely. There is no lock. Now you just need to go to settings and apps. We just need to delete TechnoCare setting which we installed before. Click on here and uninstall it. It's important, otherwise your mobile is struggling with it. So all is done. Our phone is completely bypassed. Now you can use it. There is no FRP lock now. So if you like the video, please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.